Big reason I come out to NADC is because of the quality of kids. I've been in Nashville area for 15 years, and ever since I came here I've heard all the things about this place. Everybody knows it. It's got a name that can be trusted, a name that's bigger than any other name around, and that's why we come out here. The state of the industry is that we are about 3 million technicians short globally. We need technicians, and we need them badly.
What Reliable Carriers looks for in a student is obviously their education. The education has been second to none here. They're specialized in what we look for as diesel technicians, and also we look in the collision and painting department. Yeah, the reason we come here is to nurture young talent. We see a lot of great possibility with the younger people that we can train them in our ways of doing things.
We come to NADC to hire these young people. We like their motivation, we like their skill level, we like their education. We've been very pleased with the quality of people that we've gotten from NADC. Their skill levels are good, and their skill levels translate very well to our business and our structure.
My name is Michaela Hensley. I'm a recent welding graduate from NADC. What I love about this school is how easy it was for me to get a job less than a month after graduating, and I'm working at Alltech Industries now.